Calendars in Shoperations are highly customizable and allow you to quickly create various views that can support your conversation with different stakeholders. There are 4 major ways to modify calendar views. 1. Narrow down view by using filters or search. 2. Add to or remove data from the calendar by using calendar settings. 3. Drill down to show tactic level details, or drill up to stay at the event level. 4. Relabel the fiscal year quarters and periods across the top to make the calendar represent either internal or customer-specific information. Learn how to export calendars in this article.